Have you ever stared at your empty bank account feeling that crushing weight in your chest? Wondering, how am I ever going to get out of this? The bills keep piling up, the stress keeps building, and you're just trying to keep your head above water. Or maybe you've felt it, that deep down fire, that voice inside whispering, there has to be more than this. Let me tell you something, you're not broken, you're not too late, and you're definitely not stuck. Because today, right now, you have something more powerful than you even realize, access to the internet. And guess what? That is all you need. Stick with me for the next few minutes. No, scratch that. Commit to yourself for the next hour, and I will show you 5 real ways you can start earning money online without spending a single dollar up front. These aren't scams. These aren't get-rich-quick fantasies. These are proven paths, walked by thousands of people just like you. Real methods that can change your life if you dare to take action. This is your roadmap. Let's dive in. You might be thinking, freelancing? That's for tech wizards and creative geniuses, right? Wrong. Picture this. Lisa, a single mom from Ohio, had never made more than $12 an hour at her retail job. She thought freelancing was for tech geniuses. She was juggling 2 jobs, barely scraping by, and felt completely stuck. But one day, desperate and Googling late at night, she stumbled onto Fiverr. She saw people offering all sorts of services, from writing to graphic design to virtual assistants. She thought, what the heck, I can write a decent email. Maybe I can do this. She posted a simple offer. I will write short blog posts. She charged $5 per article. She got her first order within a day, then another and another. Soon she had a steady stream of clients, all earned through word of mouth and the power of her profile. Today, Lisa makes over $3,000 a month, all from her laptop at home with her kids nearby. And here's the best part, you can do this too. You have skills, whether you realize it or not. Can you write a compelling email? Can you design a simple presentation? Can you manage social media accounts? These are all valuable skills that businesses need, and they're willing to pay for them. Don't underestimate yourself. The internet has created a level playing field, and you have the power to build your own freelance empire 1 gig at a time Ever dream of seeing your designs on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? Thought it was too expensive or complicated to get started? Think again. David was broke, dead broke, but he had a dream. He wanted to create funny t-shirts. He had notebooks filled with hilarious slogans and quirky designs, but no way to bring them to life. The problem? He had no money for shirts, printing, or shipping. The traditional route seemed impossible. One night, he discovered print on demand. He found platforms like Printful and Printify, where he could upload his designs and have them printed on demand whenever someone placed an order. He didn't have to invest in any inventory upfront, and the platform handled everything from printing to shipping. He set up a simple online store using Shopify, connected it to his print-on-demand provider, and started sharing his designs on social media. People loved his unique style and witty slogans. Orders started trickling in, then pouring in. Today, David runs an online store with over 10,000 designs and earns $8,000 a month without ever touching a single product. Here's how you can too. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What kind of designs do you love creating? Choose a print-on-demand platform. Research and compare different options to find the best fit for your needs. Create high-quality designs. Invest time in creating designs that people will love to wear and share. Set up your online store. Choose a platform like Shopify or Etsy and start selling. Promote your products. Share your designs on social media, reach out to influencers, and get the word out there. Print on demand is a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs. It's low risk, high reward, and gives you the freedom to create and sell on your own terms. Chapter 3. Imagine getting paid for recommending products you love. That's the power of affiliate marketing, and it's easier than you think. Ryan, fresh out of high school, wanted to make money but had no product, no money, and no clue where to start. He was scrolling through Instagram one day, envying all the travel bloggers and influencers living their dream lives. Then he discovered affiliate marketing. He realized he could partner with brands and earn a commission for every sale he drove through his unique affiliate link. He loved camping and the outdoors, so he started a simple blog reviewing camping gear. He joined affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale, found relevant products to promote, and started incorporating his affiliate links into his blog posts. He shared his blog posts on social media, engaged with other camping enthusiasts, and slowly built a loyal following. People trusted his recommendations and started clicking on his affiliate links, making purchases through his referrals. Today, Ryan earns $12,000 or more per month, even when he sleeps. Affiliate marketing is pure magic. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? What products or services do you genuinely recommend? Join affiliate programs. Research and join relevant affiliate programs that align with your niche. Create valuable content, write blog posts, create videos, or share social media updates that provide value to your audience and naturally incorporate your affiliate links. Promote your content, share your content on social media, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but the rewards can be substantial. Chapter 4. In the age of social media, your voice is your most valuable asset. Meet Emma, a shy, awkward 22-year-old who loved talking about skincare. She spent hours watching YouTube tutorials, reading beauty blogs, and experimenting with different products. She thought about starting her own YouTube channel, but was too scared to put herself out there. What if people judge me? What if no one watches? But one day, she decided to stop overthinking and just hit record. She started a YouTube channel with zero experience. She filmed her first video on her phone, in her bedroom, with no fancy lighting or editing. She just shared her honest thoughts about her favorite skincare products, her struggles with acne, and her journey to finding a routine that worked for her. She was surprised by the positive response. People resonated with her authenticity and vulnerability. She kept creating content week after week, sharing her passion for skincare and connecting with her growing audience. Today, Emma has 300,000 subscribers, brand deals, and earns $20,000 per month talking about skincare from her bedroom. If Emma can do it, why not you? Find your passion. What do you love talking about? What topics light you up? Choose your platform: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, podcasts. Find the platform that aligns with your content style and target audience. Create high-quality content. Invest in a good microphone and lighting, learn basic editing skills, and focus on creating content that provides value and entertainment. Be consistent, post regularly, engage with your audience, and build a community around your content. Monetize your platform. Once you have a sizable following, explore monetization options like brand deals, sponsorships, and selling your own products or services. Chapter 5. Think back to your favorite teachers or mentors. They had a gift for explaining complex concepts in a clear and engaging way, igniting a passion for learning within you. You have that same power within you. Alex always loved teaching guitar, but gigs dried up during the pandemic. He was worried about making ends meet and felt lost without his usual creative outlet. Instead of giving up, Alex signed up to tutor online. He found platforms like Tutoring and Schooly, where he could connect with students of all ages and skill levels. He set up a dedicated space in his living room with good lighting and a stable internet connection. He started offering online guitar lessons, tailoring his teaching style to each student's individual needs and goals. Word spread about his patient and encouraging teaching style. He received glowing reviews from students who were making incredible progress. Now, he earns $6,000 per month teaching students worldwide, right from his living room. You have skills, you can teach them, and yes, people will pay you. Identify your expertise. What subjects do you excel in? What skills or knowledge can you share with others? Choose your platform. Explore online tutoring platforms like TutorMe, Schooly, or Chegg Tutors, or create your own website or online course. Set your rates, research industry standards, and determine competitive pricing for your services. Market your services. Create a compelling profile, highlight your experience and qualifications, and reach out to potential students. Provide exceptional service. Be patient, encouraging, and create a positive learning environment for your students. Right now, someone somewhere is making their first dollar online. It could be you. It should be you. Don't let fear, doubt, or procrastination hold you back any longer. The opportunities are endless, and the only thing stopping you is you. Freelancing, print on demand, affiliate marketing, content creation, online tutoring. 5 real ways. 0 investment needed. Unlimited potential. The biggest difference between the person who wins and the person who stays stuck? Action. You don't need permission. You don't need more money. You don't even need more time. You just need to start. And if you want even more tips, strategies, and real success stories to fuel your journey, follow at Twin Horizons Official, where dreamers become doers and action takers become champions. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Your dream? Today is the first step. Subscribe at Twin Horizons Official and start building your future now.